Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to set up remote logging with our Rsyslog on Debian 12. Before you start, you need to install our Rsyslog on your Debian server. After the installation, run the following command to start and enable the Rsyslog server. Then, verify it to ensure it is running. In the following output, you can see that our Rsyslog is running and enabled. After our Rsyslog is installed, you'll install and configure UFW, uncomplicated firewall. To install UFW, run the following command. After the installation is finished, run the following command to enable the OpenSSH profile and allow access to port 514. Now, start and enable UFW with the following command. Then, check the UFW status with the following command. In the output, you can see UFW with the status active, OpenSSH profile, and port 514 enabled. Now that you've installed our Rsyslog and configured UFW, you're ready to set up our Rsyslog to receive logs from remote servers. First, edit the Rsyslog configuration file using the following editor. Uncomment the following lines to enable the IMUDP module and enable the Rsyslog to log in to the Rsyslog server. Additionally, if you need to enable Rsyslog via TCP, enable the IMTCP module like the following. Separate remote logs from local logs using a template and a dedicated directory. Add the following lines at the end of the file. Save the file and exit the editor when done. Next, run the following command to check the Rsyslog configuration and ensure you have the proper configuration. When no error occurs, run the following command to restart the Rsyslog service and apply your changes. Then, check the Rsyslog service status to ensure it is running. Additionally, check port 514 on your server to ensure Rsyslog is running. You can see that our Rsyslog uses the UDP port 514. Now that you've configured remote logging with our Rsyslog on your Debian server, install the Rsyslog package with the following command. Open the default configuration file with the nano editor. Add the following configuration to send logs to the Rsyslog server. Next, add the following lines to set up a queue buffer for our Rsyslog. Save the file and exit the editor. Next, run the following command to check and verify your Rsyslog configuration. When no error occurs, run the following command to restart our Rsyslog and verify it to ensure it is running. You can see that the Rsyslog service is running. To ensure that your Rsyslog is working, you need to check the log directory that you've configured in the template. Check the log directory with the following command. Now, you can check log files with the cat or tail command to see details of logs. Finally, you've completed the installation of our Rsyslog on the Debian 12 server.